Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. There's a magazine or online magazine called Batswadi Exclusive, and they did an interview with Vuyokazi. So they put this up on their page and they said hashtag Batswadi Exclusive for Izingane Zistembu reality TV star Vuyokazi Ncikweni. This new life chapter is about reclaiming her power and a second chance at love. So in Vuyokazi's own words, she actually said, honestly, I did not expect to meet someone so soon, but God has blessed me with an amazing man. Hey, like guys, amazing man rather, keyword amazing man. I feel like my dignity has been restored. The dignity she was talking about, that Umpumelelo was ripping off, this man restored it. So Vuyokazi says, she says, my husband accepted me with both my children and I respect him for that, shares Vuyokazi. Now, the interview goes on and there's many other questions that I did not get to see because this is an online magazine, and if you want to see the full exclusive interview, you've got to pay, and I don't have money for that, child. But anyway, that's Vuyokazi's take, guys, that she believes that God actually sent her Xolani, and Xolani did what she's been crying for years for Mpumelelo to do, to stop raping, to restore and maintain her dignity. She feels like it's been restored. And listen, he accepted her with both her kids and she respects him for that. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.